Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Visa gift card on Clash Royale. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and log in into your account, and then you need to click on your profile picture and click on payments and subscription and click on payments method. So once you are on that window, here you can see an option of add credit or debit card. So you simply need to click on that, and on the next window you need to add the card detail of your Visa gift card. Once you done that, you need to go back and search for Clash Royale, and you need to download that game, and you can use your Visa gift card in the game to purchase gifts and anything that you want to purchase in the game. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.